How to add and use transitions on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. Now this is the home page. Click new project to upload a new project or choose from your drafts. I already have this video, so I'm gonna show you how to use transition between scenes. For example, let's say that you want a transition between this scene and this one. All what you have to do is click here on this icon, and now as you can see you will find many transitions right here. Choose any of these. For example, let's choose this one. Now as you can see we have a transition, and if you want to change it, click on it again and choose any of these. For example, I'm going to choose this one. As you can see, it looks so good and professional. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.